Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is Our Flag. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children. Today, under the title of writing, we are going to learn how paragraph writing by using word bank. Before this, in English for grade 2, we have learned how to write a sentence. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to complete a simple paragraph using the given words, phrases, and sentences. This is our today's essay. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah At-Teen verse 1 till 4, by the fig and the olive and by Mount Sinai and by this secure city that is Makkah, we have certainly created man in the best of stature. Yes, my dear children, what these beautiful verses are telling us, Allah is saying, I have created man in the best way. So beta, whatever Allah has given to us, it is the best. That's why we should not comment on others. How does a person look like, how he or she is? This is not the right way, because Allah has created, and Allah is saying, I have created man in the best shape, okay, in the best status. So whatever skills Allah has given to us, those are the best skills. And we need to work on our skills. Whatever we are doing, we should try to improve it with every day. Because Allah is saying, I have created you the best. So we have to do our best. And one thing more, my children, you see, here at the beginning, by the fig and the olive and comma. So this is not a complete sentence. Okay? And here we are done by complete sentence. So this is how in writing we express ourselves. This is how a sentence can have a different parts, and when we join many sentences together about the same thing, you see, here is one part, then here is another, then here is, and we are talking about the same thing. So this is how we express ourselves in writing. This is what we are going to learn today, right? So first you tell me, what do you think? What is a paragraph? And what do you know about Pakistan? Pause the video, answer these two questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear children. So whatever you know about Pakistan, you told to your teacher. Whatever sentences you talked about Pakistan, when we join them together, that becomes a paragraph. All right. So basically, a paragraph is a group of sentences, okay? A group of sentences about a single idea. Like throughout the paragraph, you are talking about same thing, about one thing, okay? In order for a paragraph to be effective, it must begin with a topic sentence and have sentences that support the main idea of that paragraph and a concluding sentence. So inshallah, when we will be learning how to write a paragraph, we'll discuss all these things in detail. But so far, what a paragraph is, few sentences, when we join them together about a same idea, that becomes a paragraph, right? So this is how we are going to practice it. You see, the way I told you, whatever you told about Pakistan, when we write all those sentences together, that is a paragraph about Pakistan. So this is also a simple paragraph about Pakistan, but there are few words missing. When you will be reading these this paragraph, these sentences, you'll find a word must be here. And here is a word bank from where you can select that word. So by taking words from this word bank, you will complete this simple paragraph in your book, right? So pause the video, complete this paragraph, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Have you used the correct group of words or words in this paragraph? Good job. So let's do an activity. It's a very interesting and different activity which is there in your book. What we are going to do, you will label this map of Pakistan, inshallah. So you will write the names of provinces in this map. I hope you remember, you know. And if you are confused or you need any help, raise the hand, talk to your teacher. Teacher kindly guide the students. You will write the names of provinces and then you will color this beautiful map of Pakistan. So pause the video, complete this activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, all of you have done this activity on your book. Good job. So it's time for your homework. And in your homework, I'm giving you a project. Take a chart and draw a picture of Pakistani flag and color it. Write what you like about your country. That can be flowers, sweets, shops, roads, gardens, school, children, whatever. So you can write it and display your work in class. All of you will bring this chart to your teacher and teacher kindly encourage all the students for their effort. So, and I'm giving you a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And once again, students, here is a word bank. And by choosing the correct word from here, you will complete this paragraph. So in this way, we achieved our SLO. What we have learned today, we learned the concept of paragraph. We completed a simple paragraph by using the given word, phrases, and sentences. And in this way, we completed a simple paragraph by using the given words, phrases, and sentences, and we achieved our today's SLO. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.